binoculars and my water bottle. Let's go. Uh-oh, some stairs. I can't go under them. I can't go around them. I'm gonna have to go up them. Steps, 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 steps. Some more steps. I'm gonna have to go up them. Steps, 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 steps. Even more steps. Yes, and I can see something over there. What can that be? Let's go up the steps. Follow me. Steps, 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 steps. Uh-oh. What's this? It's a railway. I can't go under it. I can't go around it. I'm just gonna have to go over it. Step, 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 step. Over the tracks. Over the tracks and uh-oh. What is that? Let's go and see. It's a pile of shoes. I can't go over it. I can't go under it. I'm gonna just have to go around it. Step, 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 step. What is this? It's a bridge. Uh-oh. I can't go around it. I can't go over it. I'm just gonna have to crawl under it. Let's go. Follow me. Crawl, 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 crawl. Ooh, this is the right way. Ooh, crawl, crawl, crawl. Ooh, what can I see? This is the right direction. Ooh, I'm gonna have a sip of water. So refreshing. Let's go. Oh. Oh. Ooh. Yes, we're getting closer. It smells like beer, but not over there. It smells like beer. I think he's inside my fridge. I'm not scared. Maybe a little bit. There he is, and it's Pattinson Bear, and he's eating all of my veggies. Now it's your turn to go on a bear hunt. Please post your pictures of what your bear was doing and where you found him on our Google Classroom. Thank you. I love you.